I've been seeing this young man of God a little too much on my FYP. Anywhere I go, your videos keeps following me, so I thought to share with you guys. Yes, there is something about him. I also saw this video.
What is the lamb that sits?
Yes.
247. Every day I lie. Behind the closet I steal. Behind the closet I deny you.
Wow.
But you put me in your right hand side. I know I feel sorrow. You showed up for me.
There is something here.
What did I do to deserve this kind of love? What did I do to see that you're riding? What did I do?
Gospel is sweet.
Jesus,
Really.
what have you done? What have you done? Who am I that you are mindful of?